In this tutorial I want to show you a recipe for homemade waterproof eyeliner. Hi, this is Gabriela from Refined Look, and I enjoy making natural remedies, homemade cosmetics and healthy foods. To get ready, you will need a small container, a chopstick or something to stir with, a small spatula, and of course a little container to put your eyeliner and a brush. On a precision scale, add 7 grams of water or aloe vera gel. Use aloe vera gel for a longer shelf life. Next, you want to add the black iron oxide, 0.85 grams. Now, black iron oxide is a very important ingredient. It's very pigmented and you can easily find it on eBay or Amazon. Stir everything really well until everything is well combined, and then we will add the ingredient that will gellify it. Next, we need to add the guar gum powder, which is a natural food grade powder that will gellify it. You need to work very quickly with this as it will gellify it very quickly. And then we need to add 2 drops of grapeseed oil. Stir really well and your eyeliner is ready to put in your container. So this is how it looks, and now we are going to test it out on my hand and then pour some water over it to show you that is waterproof. It's very pigmented and it's a very strong color, and depending on your skills you can make very fine lines and also very thick lines. Now I'm gonna draw some lines with an eyeliner that I bought, and I'm gonna pour water again over it and see which one is waterproof. If you want to make eyeliner of other colors, you just need to get other mica pigments that are cosmetic grade and just use the same recipe. Thanks for watching and see you soon.